All right, boys and girls. So normally for reading, I would not make a video. I would just tell you what we're going to do, but I decided I was going to make a video so there weren't 17,000 questions. So make sure you watch this full video before you do ask a question if you have one. We're not reading out of the book today or at all this week. If we would have read out of a book, it would have put us halfway in the middle before we go on spring break, and I didn't want to do that. So I found some St. Patrick's Day stuff that we're going to be doing all week, and if we get finished before the week is over, we'll work on something else. So I'm just going to kind of give you a glance at what you're doing for the week. I expect you to take your time on this and really focus and work on it. It's not super hard. It's just questions. You're just going to be reading a passage and then questions. So here is your passage that you're going to be reading. Don't worry about this E. I'm honestly not sure what that means. So just ignore it. But it's all about the history of St. Patrick's Day. So you have who is St. Patrick, and you'll find out who he is. And then the bottom little part is what is St. Patrick's Day, when is it, when did it start, all of that. So read through this, and I did not put this attached to your questions because I wanted you to be able to use this for your questions. So you can blame Tristan because he made these and he stapled them all sorts of weird. So blame him, not me. So, remember, don't worry about what it says. Remember, it's just like comprehension. So, what is St. Patrick's Day? Answer all of these questions. Those are some just short answer questions. Answer in a complete sentence. Please do that. Some true or false questions. Remember, you're more than welcome to use your green paper to help you. This side is summarize the text in your own words. So we do this a lot. Just summarize what the story is telling you. It doesn't give you a lot of space, so just do your best with it. 3 adjectives you can find in the text. Remember, adjectives are just words that describe the noun. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. And I'm looking for it on the back wall. And it is above the mailboxes. So it describes or modifies the noun or pronoun. Okay? So then you're going to come down here, choose one word from the text that is difficult to understand. Just a word that you don't know, basically. And write a sentence for each one showing that you understand. Okay? So just go ahead. You only have to do one. Okay? So just one word that you didn't know what it was or what it meant, and write a sentence about it. Or write the meaning of it. And if you want to use a dictionary on this, you are more than welcome to. The main idea of the text. Tell me what it is. Tell me the main idea. What is it trying to tell you? Here we go. In which text structure? So what are they doing? Are they describing something? Are they comparing and contrasting two things? Is it all about the order and sequence? Is there a problem and a solution? Or is it a cause and an effect? Circle which one it is. Write an email from Patrick explaining what it's like to be